Hello and welcome to a presentation today on the Bob DeYoung website on how to add content to your website. Specifically under the VIP section, we are going to be adding new content items into Joomla using the back end of the website. And once we get one added, it's going to display here on the website under the VIP link. If we click that link, it will go to the VIP page, which will list each VIP page that we've created. But for now, we're going to go to the back end of the website and log in. This is the back end of the Joomla website, the Colorado Springs Homes for Sale site, robertdeyoung.com/administrator. And you should have gotten your login credentials in another email. I'm going to go ahead and log in my credentials. And here we see the control panel for Joomla. Today we're going to be adding an article, and so we're going to go right here to the Article Manager section. I'm going to click right here on Article Manager, and here we will see a list of every article on the website. Now we want to narrow this down to just the VIP section. So if you notice over here on the right, we have these pull down boxes where we can select the section, which is Colorado Springs, and our category of VIP. And this will narrow everything down to just those articles that are under this section of Colorado Springs and the category of VIP. You can also get to the article manager if you navigate to the top under content, and you'll see here's the link to the article manager. We're going to add a new article today, and to do that we go over here to the right and click on the new button, and that will open up a brand new article for us to work with. And I'm going to give it a title. Let's say Joan Smith. We want to get some information to Joan and have it live on the website. We can leave just about everything else here the same. And down here below, this is our editor screen where we're going to add all of our information. I can type text in here, and I can make text bold or italic or make it an underline. I can change the text color. A lot of the same elements you would find in a Microsoft Word document. And if I hit the enter button, I can get down below my text. And what we want to focus on now is how to add images, because we're going to be doing quite a bit of that on the VIP pages. If you notice here, there's an icon called Insert Edit Image. If I click on this box, it will open up this pop-up screen where we can add images to the website. You notice there are several folders to keep our images organized, including the VIP folder. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you see we've got another folder here called VIP Test. Well, what I want to do is add a new folder specifically for Ms. Smith. So in order to do that, I can go over here to the right and click on the button for New Folder. And let's just type in here Joan Smith. I hit OK, and then we notice that there's now a folder for Joan Smith. Let's click on that, and there are no files in there yet, but we're about to add some. So what I want to do is import them into the website, and there's a button over here to upload our photos. If I click that button, another pop-up comes up, and here's a button to add. And this will search my computer hard disk to look for photos. So let's go and navigate into Bob's folder right here where we have a lot of images. And let's jump in here and see what we have. Some great photos here. So let me double click on this living room photo. It will add it to the queue. I can even click add again and grab a different photo, save this kitchen. And now that becomes added to the queue. And now we're ready to upload. We can add several more if we wish. I'm going to hit upload and just do these two for now. And you'll watch and see here, once those photos are actually uploaded to the site, it will have a green checkbox. That was a rather big photo, and see, it told me that file is too big. So since that file was too large, we're going to have to take it out and probably resize it in another program. But this file went in okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel, and then we see we now have this file listed in our folder. If I click on that, it will populate all the information I need up here. We notice the dimensions are 2,576 pixels by 1932. Now that may be a little bit too big to show on the screen, so if I wanted to, I could resize it right here by saying, let's have a width of 450. If I go ahead and click in the next box over, it will automatically adjust so that the image dimension is still proportional. I can choose the alignment, whether I want it to be aligned to the left or to the right. I'm going to choose the middle. And if I want to have a margin around that image so text doesn't bump right up against the edge, I can put in a margin of, say, 6. And now we're ready to insert that image, so I can come down here and hit insert. And that image will now appear right here in our editor. If I wanted to, I could hit the enter button a few times to get drop down below that image, and I can add another image by hitting the insert edit image button again. And let's upload a different image this time. Upload, then I click add, and let's choose a picture of Bob. That's added to the queue. I'm going to hit upload, and I'll see behind that it's uploaded. It's got our green check mark. Go ahead and cancel that out and click on Bob to populate this information up here, and it's ready to go. I'm going to hit insert, and now we have a picture of Bob. Now once I've added all the information in here that I need, I'm ready to save this article. If I was working on this article for a long period of time, say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I would want to hit the apply button so that I would save my work. Joomla is designed to have security features, so if you work on a document too long without applying those changes, it might time out on you and you'd lose all of your work. So if you know you're going to be working for a while, you can go ahead and click that apply button. If I decided I didn't want to make the article at all, I could hit cancel and it would exit me out of this article. But I do want to save it, so I'm going to hit save. And it takes us back to our screen, which shows us all of the articles listed under the VIP category. So now we have our Joan Smith article, and we want it to link from that VIP link on the home page of the website. So we have to create a menu item. And in order to do that, we're going to navigate to menus and choose our main menu, which is starred. You can see there. I'm going to click on this. And here we're looking at every single menu item for the entire website. The main website, or the main menu items, and those sub-menu items that come down in the drop-down box. You can see them all here. The very bottom will be our VIP link. We want to create a child menu item underneath that, so we're going to go up to the top here and we're going to click new. It's an article, so we choose article, and then we want the main article layout, so we choose article layout. And here we're ready to create our menu item, and we probably want to give it a title of Joan Smith. The alias will create itself. Everything is done here for you, except we want the parent item to be that VIP link, so I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on VIP. We want it to be published, we want it to be public, and we're almost ready to go. We just need to select that article we just created here. I'm going to hit the select button, and again I'm going to use these drop downs to save us from scrolling through every article on the website, so it will show just the ones under that VIP category, and click on Joan Smith, and that will populate that article. I'm all done, so I'm going to hit save, and if we scroll down, we will see we now have a menu item that is a child menu item of that main VIP link. And that is it. You've created a new article and you've created a menu item. And if we go to the home page of the website and hit refresh and go to this VIP link, we now see Joan Smith is there and ready to be clicked on. There's the text we put in on our two images. And that's it. You're ready to go. You can add other items in a very similar manner. You can work on any of the existing content items if you want to make edits, and you can add more VIP pages as much as you like. If you go to the main VIP link itself, after you create an article in there, will automatically show up here on this main page, so people can click on them from there. And that is it for our presentation, and I hope you enjoy it.